If you're planning to attend NBAA Maintenance 2023, be sure to add to your agenda visiting ViewTech Borescopes as they exhibit. From May 2nd through the 4th, you'll be able to trial a ViewTech video borescope during NBAA Maintenance exhibit hall hours at the Connecticut Convention Center in Hartford, Connecticut. ViewTech has thousands of clients that rely on their video borescopes for maintenance, inspection, and quality control procedures. See for yourself at NBAA Maintenance 2023 why ViewTech's affordable, high-quality video borescopes are preferred by engineers and technicians throughout the aviation industry's remote visual inspection of machinery, equipment, and components. With ViewTech's no-cost, no-obligation demo offer, you can demo a ViewTech video borescope at your facility before your next inspection requirement. Contact the ViewTech Video Borescope experts at 1-231-943-1171 or visit our website, viewtech.com.